Early leaks about the iPhone 16 Pro highlighted its larger screen and a rumored capture button. Newer leaks now suggest significant camera upgrades, including larger camera modules that will require a bigger camera bump compared to the iPhone 15 Pro. Majin Buu has shared photos of the iPhone 16 Pro's case, which show large camera cookouts, indicating that the phone will feature bigger sensors than its predecessor. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to sport a larger 6.3-inch screen, an increase of 0.2 inches. The main camera size is rumored to grow from 1/1.28-inch to 1/1.14-inch, potentially enhancing photo quality. This would bolster its reputation, as the iPhone 15 Pro is already regarded as one of the best camera phones of 2024. The 12-megapixel ultrawide camera in use since 2019 will be replaced by a 48-megapixel Sony IMX903 sensor. It's not clear if this new sensor will be bigger, but if it is, it would explain the larger camera bump. Additionally, the iPhone 16 Pro will likely adopt the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 12-megapixel 5x telephoto optical camera, which is already larger than the telephoto unit on the iPhone 15 Pro. All the new iPhones will reportedly feature a photography-focused capture button, making it logical for Apple to upgrade the cameras on at least some models. Previously leaked images of dummy models also suggested that the iPhone 16 Pro would have larger sensors than the current model. How the bigger camera array and larger screen size will affect the phone's ergonomics remains to be seen. The Pro model is expected to be powered by a new 3nm chipset and may offer better battery life than the current version. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Your support means a lot and it helps me continue to create content for you. See you in the next video. Peace out.